What's that you have in your hand?
What?
No, what's that stuff in the bottle?
Bottle?
Yeah, what's that stuff in the bottle?
It's medicine.
Whose medicine is it?
Mine?
But you don't need it right now, Jackson. You're not sick.
Yeah. Hey. What are you? I say, I'm tough.
Oh, you have a bad cough?
Yeah.
But I don't think so.
Yeah, look.
Oh, that was a really bad cough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need this.
You need what?
This.
What's this?
Medicine.
You need to drink that medicine?
Yeah.
But why?
And help my cough.
To help your bad cough?
Yeah. I'm a pear.
Jackson, I don't see a cough.
Yeah, look.
Oh, that was such a bad cough.
Yeah, I need my cough. I need it. I'm bad cough. Yeah, I think we're not sick. You made us make a fever. Yeah, I think your thing was not sick. Yeah? No. Yeah. I'm never sick and not you.
You're sick,
I'm
Jackson?
never not sick and you're not. We need it. You'll wake me up.
I think we should just go downstairs and go to bed and you'll feel lots better.
No. But you're not done. Dad, you're not done with your food. I still see some more.
Yep. I'll eat some. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Judy. Bye-bye.